Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to utilize the store procedure in the pipeline activity. Okay, and this is scenario like mostly use case in the real-time world also. Suppose this is the store procedure which I have created already in order to save our time. So this is a store procedure like create procedure and schema name that procedure name. I have created a two parameters. One is like CADS, nvarchar and clients. As begin select CAD client mobile cost, and these are the columns which I want to get the details from the store procedure. As well as I have applied the from from which table name I want. This is a customer rank sheet table, and as well as this is the condition which I have applied, where CAD equal to @CADs and client equal to @client. So left side whatever we have, these are called columns, and right side whatever we have, this is a parameter which I have created inside the store procedure. And generally the store procedures, actually it will give like where class filter based on the where class what I am passing the parameter when I am executing store procedure, right? So based on that, it is giving the result. Example, like me execute pvo dot sp. Okay, then I'm passing the store 101 client side. What is the client? I have Ramu. Ramu. Yeah. So now let me execute this one. So one second. CLE. Yeah, I need to queue. I need to remove this comma. I'm pausing here. Yeah. Now let me execute this one again. See, this is the output. So this is the output which I'm getting from the store procedure. So in real time world also, like we need to call the store procedure in the pipeline level. Why? Because I want to apply certain level of filter that whatever filters which I'm applying, passing the values at the pipeline level, that will be restrict the data and it will give the uh, where class filter output. It means the whatever statement which I executing inside the procedure, right, it is giving that output. Okay, now let me go back to the pipeline. Okay, here is the data factory. So now I'm adding the copy activity here. Okay, see, right now I'm going to utilize the source. Okay, click on new store process, click on new data set and select. I mean to say select, we need to select the linked services which I have already created. Here I'm selecting the, so you just select randomly any table name. Okay, I will edit it over here. Okay, I will edit the settings into the source side. Okay, right now I'm selecting as a store procedure here. Okay, now select your store procedure name. Okay, I have selected the store procedure. Now import the parameters. It is very important. Why? Because I need to pass the values, right? See here, import the parameter. So whatever you can pass values also here, but I want to give dynamically. So why? Because at the time of pipeline execution, whenever the user is providing you want to provide required values to get the output, whatever values you have provided, it is going to filter out the data and it has to showcase, right? So I'm going to create two parameters over here. One is for the, this is like sp underscore cid. Now one more parameter I'm creating, sp underscore client. Okay, now two parameters I have created. Now I'm going back to here. Again, in source level, I'm calling the parameter over here. Okay. Now here, one more parameter I'm passing. Click on OK. So source side is done. Now I want to load into target side. Click on sync option. Click on new block storage. I want to generate in the file. Now select the linked services. Here under output, I want to generate. Okay, let me select the folder. Yeah. Now enter the file name. So the file name would be filtered data client of CSV. Now select the none. Why? Because the structure yet to create. So my source and target is ready. The source which is I'm taking store procedure, I'm passing the values. Okay, at the time of execution, dynamically I'm created everything. Okay, right click. Now I'm passing the value here 101 1. Okay, now click on OK. Now, if you see the pipeline is getting executing right, it means it is getting the data from the store procedure from DB side. So in real time also, sometime we need to call the store procedure guys. Okay, it will help to fetch the required information from the DB layer. The store procedure would be the complex in real time where like you are going to join 3, 4 tables. Then after this one there, we are applying the filters. Then we are getting such kind of data. Okay, you can implement the logic here also, but sometimes the situations like requirement we used to get the data from the store procedure. So that is the reason this scenario will be help to us. Now go to sync option, click on open, click on preview data. Okay, click on preview data. See, I got the same output, whatever in the DB. So this way we can utilize the store procedure in pipeline level, guys. Okay, and this scenario is important, guys. Okay, and one more example, like I just want to explain here, you can try. Suppose you want to delete the tables via with help of pipeline, set of tables you want to delete from the DB. Okay, so you can call the store procedure. And you can, this will be helpful for, housekeeping activities in the support side project mostly. So this kind of pipelines we used to create and delete the set of tables also. For this, you need to write a store procedures. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you and motivate me.